What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Super Wow Style. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about skincare. Now if you're a regular viewer of my Instagram handle or my YouTube page, you might have noticed I recently went on a 4-day vacation. Just a 4-day vacation was all it took for me to completely ruin and damage my skin. It was so heartbreaking. So pigmentation can occur in many forms, right? For me all the forms are valid. Dark circles, yes. Dark spots, patchy skin, uneven skin tone, all of it was there. And here's the heartbreaking thing, like pigmentation takes very little time to occur, and if not solved for right, it can take a long time to go away. So as I sit here today, let me just show this to you by the way. As I sit here today, I'm not wearing any foundation, any concealer, anything on my skin. Do you see that? There's nothing on my skin. This is how my skin is looking naturally and I am in love with this look. I feel like this is so amazing. So like I always say, right, whenever you're trying to solve for a skin concern, always look at the ingredients. Start by finding out and researching about the ingredients. The one ingredient that kept coming up in my research was glycolic acid, and for me now it's become like a magic word. It is working so well for me, guys. So glycolic acid is a really good ingredient for dealing with excess melanin buildup, dark spots, and basically pigmentation related issues. So for this I have been using the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Eye Serum and the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum. Now I really want to talk about these products and how I actually use them, but before that let's talk a little bit about glycolic acid in itself. Now glycolic acid is a super ingredient, kind of a dermat favorite if I may say, because I've heard dermatologists talk about glycolic acid for years now. So essentially, what is glycolic acid? It's an alpha hydroxy acid, or AHA. It's the smallest, lightest molecule in the family. For what? Like for us, what does this mean? Basically, for us as end users, this means that glycolic acid is something which will work on the surface level for exfoliating and remove all the dead skin cells to reveal the brighter skin, the more radiant skin, and it will also penetrate the skin. This is my favorite part. It also goes inside the skin, penetrates inside to reduce the melanin buildup cell by cell. So as a result of which, your skin is taken care of from inside and outside, and I think that's such a great thumbs up. I personally love that L'Oreal Paris. Like when I found out about these two serums, I was like, okay, the brand is L'Oreal Paris. Their products always work for me, and this brand is always so ahead in its innovation and technology and really coming up with good stuff, right? Very scientific products. So I was like, okay, let's just give it a try. I really want to, try glycolic acid for my pigmentation. And here's what the products are all about. So starting with the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Eye Serum. It is a perfect mix of glycolic acid, vitamin C, G, and niacinamide. And when you open this, let me just show this to you up close. It actually comes with the steel ball roller applicator tip, which allows me to apply the serum directly around my eyes and massages the area very gently. So it's not just about applying glycolic acid serum with this product. Because of the way the applicator has been designed, I can also massage the area under my eyes, which I think is such a big thumbs up. It's also very relaxing. And talking about the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Serum, now this one has 1% glycolic acid that effectively boosts skin renewal for that spot-free radiant skin. Once again, the formulation is lightweight, non-sticky, non-greasy, fast absorbing. The skin just takes it all in. So using this is very simple. I start by first cleansing my skin, and then I go ahead and apply a few drops of the eye serum under my eyes, very gently massaging for a bit. This feels very relaxing and the skin absorbs everything very quickly. And now applying the serum. I don't want the dropper to touch my face, so I'm just going to take a few drops on my palms, pat it down and massage gently. Look at that instant uplifted look. I follow this up with a light moisturizer, and during the daytime I also apply a sunscreen, and that's it. That's all I have to do. So I use both of these serums morning and evening as a part of my AM/PM routine, so that's twice a day. And yes, in case you guys are wondering, these formulations are dermatologically validated, making them very safe and effective for everyday use. My own personal experience has been amazing, and if you see this transformation, it is so visible. My eyes look brighter and fresher now, and my skin has completely transformed since I started using these products. Personally, if you ask me, I'm so glad that I discovered glycolic acid. It feels like such a must-have ingredient for spotless skin, and these two formulations have worked really well for me. You just saw the transformation. My skin has truly completely transformed. Personally, I would highly recommend these two products to anyone struggling with similar skin issues like pigmentation. My condition was very bad, and I feel like if it can help me, it can help anyone. So what I'm going to do is I'll put the links down in the description box below for you guys to check it out. In case you have any queries, please share questions with me in the comment section below. I would love to help you out. I would love to answer your queries. Also, while you're checking out the links and posting your queries, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already. Hit the bell icon for notifications and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.